Hello everyone. Today I discuss about how to make a model of vacuum cleaner. For that you have to take a water bottle. Here you see we have taken a water bottle. Here you see we have taken a water bottle and we divide it into three parts. Here you see we have cut one end at this point, right, and one end at this point, and we get three parts of this water bottle, right. After that, with this part, you see this part, take a mosquito net and put it here and paste it with sellotape or Fevicol as you like. And with this, make a hole here, right, and put a pipe, 2 to 3 centimeter long pipe or 5 centimeter long pipe in this lid, right. After that, you have to take this part, right. In this part, you have to take a motor and a fan. You see, this is a motor and fan, and you have to put this motor fan here, right, and fix this motor in this position. You have to fix this motor in this position, right, with the help of a small pipe. Now this is the procedure to make a vacuum cleaner. Now I will show you. After that, you have to join this red and black wire with a battery or cell, right. After that, you can see that we have made a vacuum cleaner, right. Let us see how we made this vacuum cleaner. Here you see we made this vacuum cleaner. Here we have taken this lid and put this pipe here. Yes, you can see it here. You see, we have taken this lid and put a pipe here, right, and you have to make sure that this should be airtight. After fixing this pipe, you have to give Fevicol here so that it is airtight, right. After that, here you have to take a mosquito net. Here, I'm showing you. Here, make a mosquito net and paste this with sellotape. Here you can see that we have taken a mosquito net here, right. Here we have mosquito net. After that, you have to join this one with this part. After fixing the mosquito net, you join this part with this part, right. After that, you affix a motor with a fan at this position, right, inside, right. Here is, I will show you how we have made this vacuum cleaner. Here you see that we have taken this motor with fan and affixed here, and with this we have joined this with our battery. This is our cell battery. We have joined this one, right. Now you see how we make this one and how it is working. Now our setup is ready to work, right? Again we are telling, this is the pipe you have to fit in this lid, and this is a mosquito net we have fixed here at this position. At this position you have to take a mosquito net, right, and affix it here. After this you have to take this part, and affix here. After that you have to take a motor with a fan and affix at this position like this, right? Affix it here, and when this fan starts rotating, it absorbs the air from this pipe, and the other dust particle will come in the pipe. After that it goes in this position. Let us show you how it is working, how the vacuum cleaner is working. Here you see, and this is our vacuum cleaner, and I will show you how it works. You see here, it is working. You see, it is working with 100% efficiency, right? Again I will show you how it absorbs all the dust particles. Let us see once again how it is working. Let us join this one with the cell and let us find how it works again. And you can see here that the vacuum cleaner is working very efficiently. What is the principle behind it? That the principle is that here you see there is a fan. When the fan is rotating, it absorbs the air through this pipe, and through this pipe all the dust particles also comes here and it comes in this chamber, and there is a net here, right? In that net it is obstructed and all the dust particle will deposit in this position, in this chamber, right? Here this is the principle how the vacuum cleaner works, right? When this fan is rotating, it absorbs all the air through this pipe, right? And all the dust particle will come in this pipe and deposit in this chamber. That is the principle of a vacuum cleaner, right? Let us again see how it works. Let's see. See, it is 100% working, this vacuum cleaner, and you see all the dust particles are in this chamber, right? Here you can see that in this way all the dust particles will come in this chamber and stored here, and there is a net here such that the dust particle doesn't come in this chamber, that is chamber of the fan, right? In this way the vacuum cleaner works, right? Okay, here again I will show you how it works. Let us see once again how it works. We'll join this battery or cell and let's see how it works. Now we will explain how it works. It works on the principle that when this fan is rotating, it absorbs the air and creates a low pressure zone here, right? And when the low pressure zone creates, this air comes through this pipe, right? And when the air comes through this pipe, it absorbs all the dust particle and deposit in this chamber, right? This is the principle of how a vacuum cleaner works. In this way, you can make a model of vacuum cleaner very easily and you can submit it for summer project also, right? What you need a pipe, a water bottle and cut it into 3 parts, 1, 2 and 3, and you need a motor with a fan and battery. These are sufficient to make a vacuum cleaner, and this project is very easy to make because you need only 4 things. One is one water bottle, one pipe and one battery, one motor with a fan. That's all. And you can make this vacuum cleaner at home, right? And you see here that this vacuum cleaner is working 100%. That means this is a very good project of science, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video. In this way, how a vacuum cleaner works. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.